What?
I've got a question.
I may have an answer.
When a dog goes into an elevator, does it know it went up or down, or does it think it teleported?
Well, I take back thinking I may have an answer, but have you thought about teleporting those seedlings over here?
What about when a fish gets caught? Is that its version of going to space? The phrase near miss doesn't make sense. Shouldn't it be near hit? If a tree falls in the bush and no one's around to hear, does anyone actually care? Did they have the word orange when they saw an orange? Or did they name the fruit first and now everything that colour is orange? How many bananas are in a bunch? Like, when does it go from here's my bananas to here's my bunch of bananas? Have you ever said hey stranger to someone you actually didn't know? What happens if you get scared half to death? Twice.
Kei tua o tāwauwau koe. What are you doing now?
Waiting the 5 seconds.